One thing I wanted to stress in making my math cast was when I was saying the quadratic formula, I said the opposite of b instead of negative b. And it's just more mathematically correct to say the opposite of b, and that's what we are doing. We are taking the opposite sign of whatever b is. I also wanted to make sure that I put in every step right here for showing where you put A, B, and C. And I didn't want to do any simplifying of that so they wouldn't get confused or miss a step. Right here is where I showed where they break up the two solutions, and I wanted to make sure that they understood that plus and minus are two different solutions. So I showed that 6 plus 2 over 8 is a solution, and then 6 minus 2 over 8 is the other solution. I included some vocabulary, and I decided to include what a quadratic equation is, since I use that term quite a few times in my math cast, and I just wanted them to see what the general form was if they weren't clear on that. I also included what a constant term and what coefficients were. For the More Information tab, I was talking about how the quadratic equation has two solutions, and I showed what two solutions it could have with the quadratic formula, and that these two solutions can also be real or complex. I included the self-check, how they can check their answers for x equals 1 and x equals 1/2 to see that those are actual solutions of their quadratic equation.